and then let go. Then you have to let go of the rope and then reach as high as you can and pull it down again. Probably about a little bit through the other way, so let go. Grab it again and pull it down. And then we'll count along with you, all right? So now it seems like that's an enormous amount of time, but when you're actually ringing the bell, it only takes less than 2 minutes. But you will get a workout. Okay? I'm going to open the doors so that we can hear it. Because when the doors are closed and the windows are all closed, you can hardly hear it in here. It's quite remarkable. So unless you're here. All right. If you're in the middle, they'll hear it. So
Well, I want to see Mariella go off the ground.
so remember, we start by pulling it down. So just reach up here and high, like you were doing. And just kind of pull it down. A little bit more. All right. So once it gets going, you'll have some momentum. All right. So we're going to let go. You got it? All right. Then you just let go and let go of the rope and then reach up. Okay. Ready?
3.
1, 2, okay, go, let go. That didn't bring on the time up. 3, 4, 5, let go. 6, 7, let go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23, 24, 26.
Imagine if we were up in there when he did
30,
Finally, my dear.
32,